Konyak Students Union Kohima unit kan bi ahi gene ase moi khan tai khan laga side pra hoile bi thik ki karne tai khan khushi na pai gene ase tai khan laga statement ki ase tula bi hudi gene jabo brother mangi kotha garne thanks di ase apni la naam ki ase designation ki ase
Moila naam do N Pangyu naam President Konyak Students Union Kohima.
Okay. So brother sabi moi khan banners kumare dikhe ase poila laga banners hole to itu 147 assistant professors can get regularized kurala ekdam khushi na pala koi na ase. But when we look at today's protest, one of the new thing you are seeing is itu Wangkau Government College ke scapegoat laga naam to use kura ase kwa ase as a scapegoat na. What would you like to say on that on behalf of the Konyak Students Union kan ke holibi?
Wangkau Government College laga issue do kile an issue gole do Amian Honorable Minister laga interviews kan saigena jaise gole he used the name Wangkau Government College as a shield to protect his egg, which we as an aspirants and as a students which we don't accept. To itia aji regularize kora la kotha jaise gole there are 147 jun la kotha kori ase. Hulibi Wangkau Government College se to we got only 7 teaching staffs. 7 paise alag 140 do kote ase. Alag 140 bi Wangkau Government College se dia nisna kotha do kori ase. Etu hane amian etu la khushi na pai. Alag Government College se bi ti thakibo hoy. Tule why only Wangkau Government College? Wangkau Government College is one of the oldest government college in the state. Aro amian Mon district te hoise gole amian population bi pisi ase. Student bi pisi thake. Hulibi Wangkau Government College to amihan students kan laga capacity bi thakibo na parige na inala situation de ase. And moreover the issue of teaching staff can complete thakala itu issue do it's not a new for us. After a repeated representations and memorandum to the government amihan few faculties kan paise achila itia laga present scenario de hoise gole bi Wangkau Government College is running without a principal nathakina it's almost a year. In Yaguna we have only 29 teaching faculties. Comparing to other colleges, itu to pishi komti ase una amian bhabna kore. Itu nimide amihan laga Wangkau Government College koi daga do amian ekta mon na bongje. Aro dusra manuan ki bhabiwa, dusra experience ki bhabiwa. Sob Wangkau Government College laga itu need thagya hane Wangkau Government College nimide he itu 147 kan regularize kuri dise inala bhabna thakibo. Itu ani itu clarification itu di thagi ase.
Brother sabi yere moi khan la brother kotha kuria laga moi khan ekta back history di dibo state government bra janai dia hisab hoile to ekta statement dia ro 147 assistant professors kan ge regularize kuaro tai khan yere college tai khan laga college la naam bi loise saying that dire need te thakyarem de itu assistant professors kan ge itu kam dia karne tai khan laga regularize kuriala itu particular assistant professors kami duk parem de itu tai khan thakishe itu karne regularize kori dia labi janai dia ase hulibi moi khan laga brother bra janai dia hisab hoile to remaining assistant professors kan to apart from their college remaining assistant professors kan to kineka hoise aru itu sob Wangkau College la naam loina regularize korise gole where are the other 140 assistant professors koi gelibi janai dia ase moi khan manu ite aru bi dusra manu han bi kotha koi ne ja ase but before that ek baru brother ge to brother moi khan Wangkau laga college la ekla ko ase in apni students union la side pra holibi aru bi sai gene jaile to what is your stand on the regularization of 100 assistant professors?
Being a student leader, I should say contractual though no union or no individuals will opt for it. Being in a educated society, being in an advanced society, all of us, we want fair selections of our teachers, of the assistant professors especially, because our futures lies in them. So as a person, as a concerned individual, I do not encourage contractual appointments and regularizations.
Thank you so so much for speaking to us. Itu thagishe one of the few students bodies kan ahi gene yare youths kan protesters kan logore ahi gene khara kuraro Konyak Students Union Kohima unit kan bi ase koi gene moi kan janai dia ase tagi bi bishi thanks dia ase moi kan aji laga ekta protest laga approach choose kuraro. It's very unique and peculiar as well. Meritocracy laga funeral kura. In fact, you are also handing over flowers to the agitators and the protesters to, you know, show their to dekha meritocracy la funeral de tai kan la gesture holi bi dekha la bi kwase ek bar apne han la aji laga approach la lop janai diwo.
Acha ini kwan isna 3 days to man peacefully government ke la right to kiss itu demand korina ise to holi bi tahando they are becoming so reluctant kwan isna. I don't know what is wrong with the cabinets aro the concerned minister holi bi man students kan la grievances kan la aspirant kan la mon bikhado hisapi na thake ra tahangi bi dikhai diu guna na apne hangare itu meritocracy to murishide je to nepotism kan hi zinda de guna tahangi dikhai diu guna itu sign ase will be whatever it is. We are having this program to khatam hui jawo man ni we are trying to show a sign of kiko mala deep mala mon bikhala dikhaule je to aro after some time funeral service la nishina program bi thakiwo only at the same time we are sticking to the point that we have said earlier. Unless they revoke, this will continue. And how long it goes, I kiman diri jawo government do iman sorom na thakase itu ikure. And ina jai thina let the Indians also know, mainland Indians also know, let our country know that this is the level of corruption in our state. When I do it,
see one statement that is being given by the higher education minister is that manu astera truth to janiwo ina ko ase. What kind of truth do you think he's talking about?
See, he's always talking about ekta side la truth. I don't know what he's trying to say with that. Since we have already mentioned, it is truth la do taki la truth kwase man na janere uli for us and the public it is very neat and clear here is. So there is no point of forming a committee form grow dui moina pichide report submit goina government do tik azuna na saina action lo kwase. We don't trust in all those things, so we are doing it democratically and we want the answer democratically. Kiman prolong grow tahangane hi tahan defame ho ase tui kolum ase. Public will lose the trust on them. It was there.
So you mean to say that forming of committee is not needed when everything can be done instantly and everything is already right in front of them?
Yeah, of course. Committee form gole la matlab hi nai do. It's another tactic to prolong this and make the people cool down. Itu la tactic is.
I'm hearing that some other organizations are also coming and helping out, and recently anta holi bi apne han ke itu baat holi bi khilai she koya se. What kind of gestures, goodwill gestures are being shown by the people of Nagaland, and what more do you expect also, because I think we're seeing still yet to see a lot of people come and attend also, in fact CSOs or tribal bodies also. What is your statement on that?
See, I want to thank all those student bodies or the organization like ANTA, All Nagaland Taxi Association, the president Aisha, the executive they gave us refreshment and all. So we are thankful to them. In the same way, Kohima based la student union can do almost all my name be mentioned ko na paritli. I'm sorry, Hulimi. Tahambra refreshment kami so bani dishe deep down man lo bishi thankful ase gunai tui kulimona se tangena.
Aru dusra NSF can be 7 days ultimatum din as a state government. Do you trust in NSF to actually bring out the justice that you are demanding? Do you trust the NSF on that?
Okay, on this point, I would just like to say I'm being thankful to NSF for giving a press statement in support of us and giving the ultimatum to the government. Our demand is very neat and clean. Clear cut as the man lado. Mandu utu regularization la order to revoke ribi aro itu 2016 pichide appoint grekan la post to NPSC de pathawi aro itu do NPSC de pathawli la department la discretion de se do pathaw paro the requisition do anytime pathawli paro इतुए से
Something that can be done now itself is being trying to be prolonged by the state government so that things will subside and they can escape. That's what you're trying to say.
या एक्ज्याक्टली डिले tactic to खिले छ ना तानो
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Piche debi aru kotha kuri gene jawo. Thank you. Moi khan itu thagishe one of the leading itu protesters laga lead Korea machine lo kat ke bi kotha kurishe. Tai bi whole days aji day 4 day jeshe all the 4 days tai aru tai la itu alag mili gena manu ke lead kuri gena itu protesters khan ke bi lead koise. Moi khan sai gene jailor program ki te holi bi ki agitation protest kan de holi leaders kunba lage itu lead kurile. Sai gene jaile do tai khan pra hi main itu protesters can get a lead kurigena social media news can do libi information dia protest laga information digena manu kya hine attend kurole dia se moi khan itia program de focus kurigena jawo aru after some time itia leaders kan lode kotha kuje piche hoile to ahi gene attend kura han sob ke bi inega jai gene tai khan laga thoughts tai khan laga bhabna hoile bi share kura laga bi huni ne jawo